Hey all you cool cats and kittens, I'm here at the HouseHacker Investor Happy Hour, hosted by HouseHack Seattle and Origin Point. We're talking about how to get started in real estate investing. Investing in real estate can be scary, and a lot of us have a real compelling reason why we got started. I know for me, the reason was trying to find a way not to work for the rest of my life. I sold a house that I lived in Ravenna, Seattle, moved back to California to be closer to family, worked a really demanding job for not a lot of pay for 2 years, and when I moved back, my house had appreciated more than I had earned in that W-2 job during that entire 2-year period. That was a huge aha moment that I needed to start investing. So let's go find some folks, let's ask them what inspired them to get started in real estate investing and hear their stories. I'm here with Kara Rosansky, our preferred mortgage lender here at HouseHack Seattle and a sponsor of the HouseHacker and Investor Happy Hour. Kara, I'd love to hear when you got started in real estate investing.
So to be honest, I don't think we've ever talked about this, but investing in real estate has actually been in my blood. My grandfather, years and years ago, before even we had 2 bridges in the Seattle area, used to take my dad as a kid to drive across I-90 and explore the east side. And he always taught my dad the importance of owning real estate, even though he was in the medical field. So real estate has always been kind of taught to me as something that you pass down to generations. It's a way to create wealth when your job maybe might fall through, or, you know, just an alternative source of income and wealth. I also grew up always hearing the biggest regret in real estate is the day you sell that real estate.
Yeah.
So I've just always been a firm believer of owning, buying and holding, diversifying your real estate.
Yeah, thank you for sharing, Kara. Let's go hear some more stories. I'm here with Kyle. Kyle, I'd love to hear when you got started in real estate and also how you got started.
Yeah, I got started about 2.5 years ago. Bought a duplex over in the Windermere Sandpoint area, kind of a fix and flip.
You doing a lot of the work yourself, or are you hiring folks to take care of it? A little bit of both?
A little bit of both. At the time I was working from home, so I had a lot of time to kind of put into renovations. Some of the bigger things I had to contract out, honestly, like a roof.
Yeah.
You gotta know your limits.
Why did you buy the duplex?
I was really interested in the idea of FIRE, so financial independence, retire early. And then actually at 25, I got diagnosed with cancer. And that was a big life event, as you can imagine. All good now. After I kind of came out of treatment for that, I just realized I really did not want to be working to, you know, my 50s, 60s, whatever. There's just a lot of other things I wanted to do with my life other than work a normal job.
Thank you so much, Kyle. That was a super inspiring story. Guys, I'd love to hear more about when you got started in real estate investing.
I think we started like a year ago. Started just looking at YouTube, looking at different ways to deploy our cash, diversify, and also build wealth and get away from our W-2 income and being reliant on somebody else. We started, hitting the books and looking for houses kind of on our own. We actually came across HouseHack on Meetup, and that's when, I think things really took off. We connected with agents, actually acquired our first property.
We've been looking for a long time. And then I actually went to Michael's happy hour without knowing that it was led by a group of agents. I was there to eat food and then chat.
So what gave you the courage to get started, or even think it was a possibility?
Going to these meetups, seeing so many people our age or even younger are doing it, it makes it feel like it's definitely attainable.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your stories, Christy and McKinley. I'm here with Tyler Hopp from the HouseHack Seattle team of investor agents. Tyler, when did you get started in real estate investing, or are you just getting started?
So I actually got started while I was in college. I was a junior and I took a class called Real Estate Investments. I decided to get my real estate license because when else is a good time to take a chance on your career than while you're in college and you're broke. So I spent the last 2.5 years just learning a lot, closed a few deals, specifically with small multifamily.
What inspired you to even think about real estate as an option and pursue it?
Funny enough, I think growing up, the buddies, friends that always had the boats and the nice house, whenever I went over there, you'd ask, hey, what does your dad do? What is your family doing? It seemed like real estate was just always the answer, somewhere in it.
Well, thank you, Tyler. We heard some really incredible stories. One thread connecting many of them is big, surprising life events that push people into something like real estate investing. One of the things I love about these happy hours is you can get pieces of information from people that are farther down the road from you and have these insights. If you'd like to learn more about real estate investing, join us here in Fremont at the House Hacker and Investor Happy Hour. It's every first Thursday of the month. I hope to see you there.